Hi there, my name is Liz, and I'm going to show you today how to make this card. With this card, you can get a package deal worth about $50, and with that $50 purchase, you can get this stamp set right here. Now that stamp set becomes available in this celebration, okay? The new catalog comes out on January 3rd, March 31st, and if you spend over $50 or more, then you get something that's in the celebration book for free. So every $50 you spend, you can get free items, okay? So I'm going to show you how to make this card. Very, very simple, okay? First, we're going to start off by stamping everything. I got my papers ready. I'm using the Momento Tuxedo black ink. Okay. I'm going to stamp each one. Here's the cup for the bigger cup. Okay. And here's the frosting that goes on top. Okay. And then it also has a straw. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp the straw. Where is the straw? Oh, the straw's right here. Okay, I'm going to stamp the straw. Okay, next I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do this middle one. So this middle one, stamp those items. Okay, and I stamp. Now this does come with die cuts. You can save 10% by ordering it as a bundle set, but if you really don't have the money and you can't really do it, that's fine, because what I did today when I made this card, I didn't use the die cuts. I fussy cut everything. Oh, wrong one, needed the lid. Again, you don't have to do this in any particular order. What I'm doing now is the part right in there. Okay, and now I'll go ahead and stamp the lid. And again, you don't need to put it on the paper in this manner. I'm just showing you in that way. Okay? Then I go ahead and do this one right here. And then it has the whipped cream again. Okay, and this is the Coffe Cafe bundle set, okay? So that's that one right here. And then I'm going to do the Panda. Okay, what I did when I colored mine, oh, wait a minute, I'm not done. I'm going to go ahead, and this one has happy birthday, but I'm going to put happy birthday on all, across the whole thing, okay? So I'll do happy birthday once, twice, and then a third time. But I also need, I'm going to put these little things here on that part. So I go ahead and I stamp. And it's okay if you go out of the lines, because you're going to cut it. Simple as that. You're just going to cut away. I use my colored pencils. What I'm just trying to do is I'm just trying to find a way to be more, things can be more affordable, so you can get to $50. You can get more things with the $50. Okay, and then what I did is I went ahead and stamped hearts sporadically on the cup for decoration. So like I said, I was using the colored pencils. You don't have to. You can use the stamps. I use the colored pencils because you get more use out of colored pencils, because you got more colors, whereas if you get stamped, you got to spend money on each stamp for each color. What I wanted to do, I wanted shadow effect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do this blue part right. I'm just going to show an example of this blue. So I went ahead and I colored all of it in. Okay. Colored it in. I got my blender pens, and I went ahead and blended all the markers in. Again, I'm just doing this really quick. When you do things on your own time, you can definitely take your time with it. Once this is all blended in with this color, I went ahead with a darker color around where I want the shadow. So I did that. Okay, spread it. Again, I went ahead and with my blender pens, I went ahead and stretch it out. You don't want to spend money on blender pens. You know what also works? You can use a little paintbrush. Just don't put that much water in there. Just a little tad bit of water on the brush. Okay. What I also did on the whipped cream, just so there's a little bit of shading, I took the color gray, the basic gray, and I just shadowed around the edges. Okay, again, something very simple. Once that's all set, I go ahead again with the blender pen or the marker, I mean not the marker, the blender pen or the paintbrush, and I just blend all the shade out so that it doesn't look like you got pencil marks. Okay, you can also use the aqua pen. Alright, so that's what it would look like. Like I mentioned earlier, I do have the die cuts. It does come with this. It doesn't come with the set, but you can save 10% when you order both sets together. What I did is I just fussy cut everything. Okay, and it looks just as good as if you had the die cuts. I went ahead and I colored everything in earlier, and I cut everything earlier. Okay, so what I did, you need a. I took the Blushing Bride. The Blushing Bride measures at 4.25 by 11, and it's scored at 5.5. The Soft Sky, which this isn't really Soft Sky, but if you order the bundle set of the paper for the Lots of Love, I believe it comes with the Soft Sky. I didn't have it at home, so I'm just improvising. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take what would be the Soft Sky, which measures at 4 by 5.25. You want to glue that on to the top part of the page. You want to get a Whisper White, which measures 3 3/4 by 5, and you're going to glue that on top of there. Okay. Again, I'm doing this quickly. Of course, when you're doing your own, you don't want to do it as quickly. So I have the confetti that's going to run all across that side there. So we're going to go ahead and stamp that. Okay, all down the left-hand side of your paper on the Whisper White. Probably should have been done before gluing it on, because I'm just trying to be quick. Okay, so that's glued on. What you want to do also is take the Happiness is a Cup of Coffee, and you want to go ahead and put it to the corner. Of course, I didn't have that on the stamp because I didn't think I had to color it in. I don't know where it did it. Oh, it's right here. So that's where I want it to go. So I go ahead and stamp it up. Again, same Tuxedo black. Okay, again, this is done real quick, and if it was done slower, it probably would have looked a lot better. Okay, you want to take the bottom cup, and you want to put it onto the paper there. You want to get the whipped cream. Actually, you want to get the straw. Where's my straw? I want to put the straw already on the whipped cream, okay? Straw on the whipped cream. Then I put the whipped cream on top of the cup. Okay, you want to put that on there. Next, I go ahead and I use this pot. And I want to put that on top of. Then what I decided to also do, because I want to try to help my sales, so for the month of January, from January 1st to January 31st, if you place a $50 order from me, not only will you get a celebration item for free, but what I will also do is I will also Your choice. You can either have the multi-purpose glue at my cost. I'll send it to you for free, or the Tuxedo black stamp. So again, you gotta order, spend at least $50. You'll get a free celebration item, and I will mail you a choice of either the multi-purpose glue or the Tuxedo black stamp pad. Okay, how's that sound? I think it sounds pretty good. I went ahead and put the Panda Bear on here. Just again, this was all fussy cut. I did not do any die cuts. Would it have been easier? Yeah, probably. But if you're looking to save money, I think this is the way to do it. Okay, let's put the last thing on the... And there's the card. How's that look? There you go. All that done really quickly. Again, like I said, the catalog is available January 1st through March 31st. You spend $50. Every increments of $50, you get a free celebration item. And on top of that celebration item, I'll mail you a mono multi-purpose glue or the Momento black tuxedo stamp pad. What I'll do is once I see your order, I'll email you and ask you which you prefer, and I'll mail it out to you. All right? Sounds great. Sounds good to me. Thank you. And let me just show you what I plan on making to show how to make. These was done using the spectrum markers, but when I show the next ones, will be done in the colored pencils. But this is a gift card holder. You open it up like this, and you put your gift card in here. Pretty nice, huh? So I'm going to show how to make that, again, with the same stamp pads. For the month of January, this is what I'll show. You want a gift tag holder? There's that gift tag holder. Goes right to the gift pad. And then what's a thing without having a bag? We'll show you how to make this gift bag. Very simple. So we'll make this a birthday celebration through the Coffe Cafe and then the Panda Bear. So this is my special for the month of January. Thank you. Have a great day.